Hey y'all, I'm just gonna do a review on a Frigidaire microwave. I don't know exactly what model it is, but it says about 2012, so somewhere around there. But y'all come a little closer, you can see some of the options. Over here we got popcorn. That's good. And then we got baked potato. Beverage, I'm trying to microwave a coffee, green tea, fresh vegetables, clock. So down here's the button. You press it. And it's one of the good features I think is as you go a turntable, you just go put your food on. It looks like somebody left the crackers in here. It's still pretty good. See, a turntable. You just kind of carefully goes around the circle, making sure all the spots is getting heated equally. So if you're cooking your baked potato, you don't got a soggy bottom. So that's it. That's the review of the Frigidaire microwave, and I hope y'all enjoy it.